Okay, what's wrong with this picture? Now, it might have seemed that the door was closing by itself, but in fact, what the problem was that the dog always opened the door by himself, and then he wouldn't close it. Sometimes even the kids would open the door by itself, and then not close it after. So we came up with a solution. Okay, here you can see the big picture. Here's the door, open by itself, and it can close by itself. See? No hands. See? Now, we add this piece here because the dog was putting his nose all the time to push here to open the door. So this is going to help him a little bit now. Next thing, we put this wire and a pulley attached to about 3 pounds of weights. That's all it took. It doesn't close hard enough that you can hurt yourself with a hand or anything. You can't crush your hand because it's not enough weight, but it's enough to close the door all the time. Now both Rover and yourself will be happy because you won't have to get up and down 20 times a day to close the door after somebody leaves it open. Try it.